I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
What is up, YouTube, and welcome to another video with my boy Pedro. No se ríe. Eso no tiene que ver nada. You see, these guys not used to me. With my boy Pedro, my detailer, and we're Hebe, which is on the back, and we're fixing. Well, not fixing. We're fixing. We're installing Hebe's coilovers on the Yaris. Sorry. I'm gonna call it Yaris. I'm gonna call it Yaris, bro. I'm gonna sound mad Japanese. Yaris. Anyway, Dividend Towers, as you guys can see. The coilovers are right here. I'm gonna show you guys. The coilovers are right here. You guys already know. I'm gonna be installing this. So, ¿qué dijiste, Pato? So far we just took out already some plastics that was here, and then some metal pieces, the big ass shit. Well, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Look, it's right there. Yaris problems. Y Hebe se siente feliz. Mira, 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 like a little kid. Y pues sí, mi gente, este Yari va a ir static. Por ahora no tan bajito porque obviamente la goma, you know, because of the tires, we cannot drop it as low, but you know, he's gonna see it until Hebe gets some wheels and shit. And then we just vibing, bro, in Pedro's house. Just vibing. Cuidado con la cabeza. Oh, if you guys know. Well, that used to be my sticker. You know, I used to be a photographer, but nobody want to pay for nothing. A quick update, guys. Hebe is installing his first coilover. Ay. Ay, se te cayó algo. So yeah, we just basically Hebe just removed all those junks, all those tuercas.
¿Y ahí tu mano es más pequeña que la mía?
Sí.
A ver si se fue por ahí para abajo. O bájala ahí, si lo voy. Por ahí para abajo.
¿Por aquí abajo?
Sí. Pero bien abajo.
Ay, Dios. Esto está más apretado que una mujer. Ya, easy peasy. Eso fue más fácil que taking a candy from a baby.
Zúmbale, Kevin no,
¡Zúmbale, Yandel!
Eso está bien, ¿no?
Ay, yo quiero ver ese huequito ahí. Whoop. There you go. First coilover. About to get installed.
Hay que pincharle, eso lo puedes hacer. Por eso es que estoy usando eso.
Yeah, we got Hebe doing all his shit, yo, because Hebe needs to do it. It's his car.
Tiene que aprender a
El
trabajar.
carro tuyo.
No siempre le vamos a dejar el carro.
Exacto.
Así que se aprende, ¿verdad? Vale para allá.
Como Hebe me mira a mí, pues me toca mirarte a ti hoy. Anyway, guys, quick update. These coils don't came with I'm gonna show you. Alright, the OG suspensions for your Yachty owners. It comes with this on the back side. Quick update. This part right here on the coilovers, it didn't came, so we're gonna have to modify it. You know, just to hold the brake line, because the brake lines are, you gotta keep them safe. Other than that, everything's falling apart good and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys the first coilover install right now. There you go. That's the first one. Everything installed, ready to go. You know, this is what I was telling you guys about. You know, we gotta modify this because it has this thing to hold it, but hopefully we could mango. No. But yeah, guys. I'll show you guys once we install the first two, and then we're gonna show you the videos. You know, so for you guys that have a Yaris owners, Toyota owners. So you guys can know, you know, this is for heaven. He helps me out, I help him out. Pedro helps me out, I help him out. You know how we do it.
¿Ustedes tienen agua? No se la tiene agua. ¿Qué pasó? Ahora la que tiene seguridad es la que va arriba.
Si quieres, mira bien este,
Pones primero esa cosita negra y después le pones la tuerca. La cosita negra está encima de la lava.
Oye, lo vamos a meter el hueco.
No, ponga eso hasta que él lo suba. Dale, vale.
No me el hueco.
Si te sale así, lo vuelve ahí.
Ay, mira el hueco ahí. ¿Ya?
La tuerca no te va a apretar completa. Hasta que llegue a la
¿Ya? Voy. ¿Ah?
Así tiene. Te cagas, Culi.
Ya me iba a tirar, yo loco el lobo. Heavy, welcome to the stands world, bro. Voy.
Dale de cantazo porque si no se...
Sube. ¿La sube? Sí. Mira, se botó la batería.
Dale otra vez.
Habla tú, juego.
Pero eso no es la pistola. Eso es el silicón ese. Esas tuercas son una pendeja. Esta no la cabe. Vamos a usar la grande.
Big boy status, big boy status, big boy.
Te hago el intercambio de equipo.
¿Qué quieren ustedes? Y yo le hago un prum prum. Yo le hago un prum prum rapidito. Prum prum.
Vale, rápido. Espérate. Dale. Súbelo. Mis llaves abiertas están en casa mía.
¿Usamos esta misma?
Mira a ver si es el mismo size.
Creo que sí.
Míresela ahí en esa. Está por fuera.
Alright guys, quick update. We already installed the front coilovers. It was kind of trouble-ish. I didn't record it, sorry, because we was like thinking fucking hard as fuck. Now we're doing the bottom ones. I know it's late, whatever. We're taking our time, kind of rush. Yeah, just the bottom ones, and then my bro should have coilovers on his car by now. So, yeah, I'll keep you guys up to date. My phone's about to die, so I'm doing parts by parts. So, quick update, guys. We just installed everything. You guys, make sure everybody's safe. No me digas, se quedó encajado. We're still having issues, but my boy's looking tired. I'm proud of that. Tucking the tires. You want to test drive it? You want to check how it feels and stuff like that? And obviously today we're not finished. Probably tomorrow we work on it again. And yeah, guys, just a little sneak peek of what's coming for this car. Next up, probably body kit, wheels, you know. But the boy, big bro. Pedro, yo te amo, ¿sabes?
Yo también. ¿Puedes sacarlo?
Well, guys, we're testing out the car. So far, so good. Heavy likes it. It's not that low, you know, not static yet, but because of the tires that he has. But we're there, bro. Like, right now, we want to take a picture, you know, thumbnail for it. And I'm going to take a picture right now. So far, Heavy's proud of it, huh, Heavy? Dolor de cabeza. Look at the guys. Look at it.